I know I am not the only one who agrees that spending a whole lot of your day watching YouTube videos is not entirely a waste of time. You can learn about a whole bunch of stuff, I guess way more than what you've actually learned in school. Well, kidding aside, you can earn real cash using these videos on YouTube. If you want to learn more, stay tuned until the end of this video. I will show you the entire process of how this works, so grab a pen and paper or you could follow along as I show you. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. So the main website I want you to check out today is CPAGrip.com. It is an affiliate marketing platform that has been in business since 2013. They have the tools that could help you monetize your traffic and maximize your earning potential. You'll just need to set up a few things and CPA Grip will do the rest. Exciting, right? But before we do the sign-up process for this website, let's sort out this first step so things will be easier for you. So now head on to youtube.com. I am going to demonstrate in this video how you can make $200 a day simply by viewing videos on YouTube, and I hope you enjoy it. I'd love it if you could follow this process step by step because it's great for people who are just starting out. You don't need any prior experience, you don't have to pay for anything, and you don't have to sell anything to participate. Now, the very first thing you need to do is go to youtube.com, but don't worry, you don't have to upload any videos. There is no need for you to display your face. So in the space provided for the search, type Deep Sea Mysteries. You have the potential to earn $200 a day with all of these videos that are now being displayed here. This is the option I will go with. We need to look for anything that has the potential to go viral, something that will be of interest to a large number of people, or something that will have a high click-through rate and be something that people will genuinely want to see. You should be able to put this to use to immediately begin earning money with this strategy. At this very moment, none of this may make sense at all. But don't be alarmed, you will be able to repeat these processes over and over again, and you will be able to earn even more than $200 per day once I show you the entire process to start making money online. Once I show you the entire process, I will show you how you can use all of the videos that you can see here. This one right here has the potential to be an entertaining video. This is the one I went with, and it matches up with what researchers discovered on the ocean floor. Bear in mind that the video's thumbnail is the most significant factor in determining how many people will click on it, so you should give it your full attention. In addition to that, we have the potential to earn money from it. I'll just start this video, and the only thing we are going to need from it is the URL. I will just open up this video. You only need to copy this link and then locate a secure location to save it because we are going to need it in the future. It's a money maker for us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give our channel a big thumbs up. We are grateful for your support. Please let us know what you thought of this video and whether or not it was useful in the comment section. Now, let's continue. Then all that's left to do is head over to Google and search for download YouTube thumbnail. This is the option we can go with. After that, I'll simply paste the URL into this box and then select the option Get Thumbnail Images. Now, what we are going to see is the video's thumbnail, so keep an eye out for that. As soon as this is downloaded, we have to go to this incredible website where we can make it look better. Canva.com is incredible and it's totally free. There is no special skill set required to utilize this graphic design tool. This is the most important step to take if you want to generate money using this strategy. Therefore, the first thing that we need to do is simply set up your account. When you are finished, a search bar similar to this one will appear in the middle of your screen. You only need to click on this and search for the Pinterest pin. You will have access to a variety of different templates, but we won't be making use of any of them because we will start from scratch when creating our Pinterest pin. Simply put, all that remains for us to do is import the picture that we have just downloaded into our Canva account. After that, you simply need to drag it toward the middle of the screen, paste it in the space, and enlarge it to the size. And now select a backdrop for your image. You only need to add a dark background, and then you can start adding elements. Choose this option and then hit the Enter key. If you want to make the picture more intriguing, try adding a red circle to it. After that, as the next step in our process, we will add the text, choose Add Heading, and type in "Scary Secrets Found at the Bottom of the Ocean." This will encourage people to click on the image you provided. Think about the thousands of people who will view this image and click on it the second they do. I'm going to explain further how this strategy can help you make money, but before I do, I need you to pay attention and watch the video until the very end. Let's save our Pinterest pin now that it's finished. To do this, go to the top right of your screen. Hit the share icon and then click the download button. Now for our most awaited part, go ahead and visit cpagrip.com once more. From there, we will create an account by clicking this register button. Just fill in your details, especially the ones with a red asterisk, and make sure you tick all 3 boxes down at the bottom. Once you're done, click register now. Important tip: for you to access this website completely, you must verify your account through your email, so make sure you do that. People are generating a significant amount of money through this platform, as can be seen here. To get started, navigate to the Monetization Tools section on the menu and select the URL or File Lockers option. Simply click on the link that says Create a new URL locker from this page. Mark this box as checked, and then click Continue to proceed. How are you following along? If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section. We will try our best to help you with your queries. But for now, let's jump back in. To access the CAPTCHA template, select Templates from the menu. We are going to place this URL locker before the video, and for anyone to view it, they are going to have to go through this verification process first. You're going to make $1 or $2 out of this if anyone clicks on it. So this is one of the strategies that is currently really profitable at the moment. We'll get into the generic section after that. Call it new URL if you like, and have "I'm not a robot" appear as the button's text. I think the rest looks good. To proceed, all that is required of you at this point is to click on the link that says Show Offers. You can see right here the payouts that you are going to make if someone clicks on the CAPTCHA that you just created. If somebody does click on it, you will make money. Return to the YouTube video that you selected earlier, copy this link once more, then navigate back to cpagrip.com and insert it into the locked URL field. This is the final and most critical step in the process. Simply completing this step by selecting the Save button will do it. You might be wondering, how can I truly get 1,000 people to view this video? Or how can I even get one person to watch this video? Relax, because I am going to demonstrate everything to you in a step-by-step manner. We are going to upload everything we have created in Canva to Pinterest.com to bring everything together into one seamless whole. This is the site where, on a daily basis, you can discover a large number of individuals who are interested in the content that creators are producing. And we are going to maximize this website to generate money using this strategy. Proceed to make a pin by picking that option from the drop-down menu. Simply put, "Scary Secrets Found at the Bottom of the Ocean" is the title of the image that we are going to post now, as it is the one that we have just finished creating. The next step, which is the most critical one, requires us to return to cpagrip.com, highlight this link, copy it, and then paste it into the pin that we are establishing on Pinterest. We will add it under destination link, and after that, all that's required is a summary of the video before you click the publish button. And at this point, the pin that we have worked so hard to design is finally ready for the public to view. They simply need to click on it to access the URL. Now is the time when we can start making money out of it. And the pin that we have just designed is going to be seen by many different people. You can always check back in at CPA Grip and see your earnings after a couple of hours. Just let your pin do the job for you. Now, which types of videos are you going to promote out there and earn money from? We would love to know about your ideas in the comments below. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.